Hi everyone, welcome to SolidWorks, a project approach. I am Shantanu Raghav, your instructor for this exciting course where we will learn SolidWorks in a structured project based manner. If you are looking to master SolidWorks, understand its tools, and create professional designs, you are in the right place. This course focuses on real world applications from creating parts and assemblies to generate precise drawings, all while using a systematic project approach. Before we dive into the interface, let's start at the SolidWorks home screen. This is the first thing you will see when you open SolidWorks. It is designed to help you quickly access recent files, start new project, and explore more templates. On the left, you can find the recent documents. It displays thumbnails of file you have worked on recently, making it easy to pick where you have left off. In the center, there are options to start a new file. You can choose between part assembly or drawing template. These are the core file type in the SolidWorks, and we will be using all three in this course. And on the right, you will see the Learn section. This include link to tutorials, community forums, and updates which can be very helpful for you when exploring of your own. At the top of the screen, you can see the command manager. It is a ribbon-like toolbar that adapts based on your task, whether you are sketching, modeling, or assembling. The tools you need are organized in tabs like Sketch, Features, and Evaluate. This ensures you have a quick access to the commands relevant to your workflow. And on the left, we have the Feature Manager tree. Think of it as the history of your design. Every sketch, feature, and adjustments you make is recorded here in a chronological order. This makes it easy to go back, edit, or reorganize the features. It is especially helpful for working with complex assemblies or large projects. So this is the graphic area. The graphic area is the heart of SolidWorks. This is where your design comes to life. Every sketch, feature, and assembly you create will appear here. You can zoom, rotate, and pan to view your model from any angle. Mastering navigation in this area will make your workflow seamless. SolidWorks offers a range of toolbars, both fixed and customizable, which provide quick access to frequently used commands. For example, you can right-click in the graphic area to access shortcut menu that adapt based on the content. Learning these shortcuts can save you a lot of time during the design process. And on the right, we have Task pane. It is like a resource hub within SolidWorks. From here, you can access the design library, appearance, SolidWorks tutorials, and even external files. This is particularly useful when you need quick access to standard part or materials. Finally, at the bottom, we have the status bar, which show information like active units, sketch states, and other validations. And at the top of the graphic area, we have head-up toolbar. It provides quick access to view settings, display states, and zoom controls, allowing you to tailor your visualization while working. Understanding the interface is the foundation of becoming efficient in SolidWorks. As we progress, you will see how each of these elements come into play when working on project. This knowledge will empower you to work confidently and efficiently. So get ready to explore the world of SolidWorks with a project-based approach. Let's take the first step in the turning your design idea into reality. See you in the first lesson.